Nanbabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank A1 Mobile Car Wash for being partnered with us in this video. From their name itself, they are a mobile car wash service dito sa Pampanga, and if I'm not mistaken, they are the first one to be a mobile operated booking system for their car wash.
Here in Pampanga,
Yes.
this is the first one.
See, told you guys. So you'll see this first time sa We're in Pampanga.
The idea came from ECQ time natin.
Yes.
Kasi, di ba, there's a lot of people na hindi makalabas sa bahay.
Yes.
And there's a lot of businesses na hindi makapag-go
Operate.
on o makapag-operate dahil nga dun sa lockdown. So, put the car wash into the mobile para kami na mismo yung pupunta dun sa mga clients to do the car wash.
Right now, ano yung coverage area natin for the service?
Right now, we have Angeles, San Fernando, Mabalacat, and Porac. Just for now because we only have one team.
Yes.
Sooner or later, siguro, we'll add more services and more crew
Yes.
to cater different areas.
Okay.
Practical benefits, una-una is the time. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta mag-travel from your house to car wash para lang malinis yung sakyan mo. All you have to do is download the app, magpabook ka, and then antayin mo yung crew to arrive to your house and then start the car wash. Tapos habang sila nagka-car wash, ikaw, you can do your stuff na. You can do your thing. Kung nag-work from home ka, or may inaalagaan kang mga fitting, ganyan, pwede mong i-continue yun yung ginagawa mo.
Actually, sobrang dali ng paggamit ng A1 Mobile Car Wash. First, you have to download it on your cell phone. So, available po sila sa Android and iOS systems. Kailangan mo lang i-search ang A1 Mobile Car Wash. Once it's installed, you open the app. So, dun sa welcome page natin, you can actually search for your service. Makikita mo dito kung saan nagpo-fall under yung sasakyan mo, either small, medium, large, or extra large. Say for example, my car, pipiliin ko dito yung large. And then from there, you're gonna choose kung anong service yung gusto mong gawin nila sa bahay. So either a premium car wash, a signature car wash. They also have signature premium wash plus buff and shine. Meron din tayong signature premium wash and interior detailing. And the list goes on, no? So iba-iba yung price, iba-iba rin po yung service na gagawin nila. Now, if you want to know more about a particular service, kung anong gagawin nila doon, you can click on the learn more. And then from there, makikita nyo po ano yung mga service na gagawin nila. So for example, this signature prime car wash plus engine detailing. Click lang natin dyan. Makikita nyo na doon kung ano yung services na gagawin nila sa sasakyan mo. Super shiny, super slick. Look at that, oh. Good job. Good job. So ultimately, what I like about the entire idea, the entire setup is for busy persons like me. They don't need to, parang leave their house, so they can work sa bahay. They can leave yung sasakyan nila sa garahe. Aside from they actually do a good job. The thing that you don't need to go out of your house and then you get your car clean. That's great stuff, man. So for the finished product, here is my car. Looks like super shiny, super black, super clean, super ang bango din sa loob, guys. Really satisfied with the service. I'm really happy. Actually, the way it looks like, parang nung kinuha ko siya for the first time dun sa casa, for the first time I saw it, ang tawag doon parang love at first sight. That's what I was saying. So this is really satisfying, guys, if you're looking for a service to wash your car but you don't need to go out of your house. mobile car wash, A1 mobile car wash is available. So make sure to download their app. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested to know more about their services, make sure to check out their fan page, or go to www.aone.ph. Super duper. I'm really satisfied, guys. Okay.